Hey, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get your STIHL chainsaw ready for summer. And I'm particularly talking about a little shield that's inside your chainsaw that is put in there for summer months. And also you can turn it around, switch it for winter months. And I'll tell you why. So this plastic shield I'm talking about is right in here. And the reason they have that there, in the winter time, you can switch it. I have it in that mode right now, so you can switch it so that you can keep more heat in your engine. In the summer, you pull it out, flip it around, and it allows more air to flow through to keep your engine cool in the hot months. Now, the reason you want that shield in there in the wintertime set for winter time is because you want your carburetor, your fuel, you want everything to stay warmer on the very cold days. And it just keeps your chainsaw running that much better. So what happens is in here, there's a flywheel here and it has fins on it and it sucks air in through here and pushes it across your motor. So your motor, I don't know if you can see that, but there is cooling fins on the side of the head here. And that air that's sucked in through the other side comes through here, out this side, around your exhaust here at the front. Just keeps everything cooler that way. And that's why in the winter time when it's flipped around, so you take it out, you flip it around, it has little icons on it. I'll show you, one for summer months, one for winter months. And in the winter, it keeps the heat generated in here and keeps things warm. So right now I have it in winter mode. So I'm going to flip it around because now it's spring and we want to get it ready for the summer months. Well, here on the STIHL Farm Boss, the 271, we have 3 bolts here that holds this cover on top. So we're going to undo it. Doesn't take long and it's easy. Now you have to check your manual because not all chainsaws have this feature, but if it does, you want to take advantage of it. So there, we remove the cover and that piece is right there. This thing right here, this little plastic plate. Now I'll get my STIHL screwdriver here and I'm just going to pull on that. We're going to pull it out. That's all it is this plastic cover. So you can see the icon here has a snowflake on it and then the summer. So I had it set for winter time. So now I'm just going to flip it around. You see the sun icon? We're going to slip it back in there. Just like that. So now the air will be drawn in through here. It'll be kept cooler and the air will flow across here. You can see with the plate closed here, it's solid there. The air will not come this way towards the carburetor because you don't need it that hot because it's summertime. In the winter, it's open and the heat will come over here to your carburetor in this area here to keep everything nice and toasty. Just a quick tip in case you didn't know, a lot of people don't know this. So we'll put our cover back on. So now I'm going to show you how to remove that season plate with the cover on. So we're going to take our STIHL screwdriver, just pry it out. Every STIHL chainsaw is different, so that's why I want to show you 2 different ways. And there we go. We can just pull it out without taking the cover off here on the STIHL 271 Farm Boss. Again, there's the icon for the summertime and the icon for the winter time. And we're going to slip it into the STIHL chainsaw here without taking the cover off again. It's a lot handier. Some you do have to take the cover off. Now we're ready for summer. So that's it. That's just a quick tip for you for your STIHL chainsaws. Your chainsaw may have it may not have it. But check your manual, see if it has it, and it'll help your chainsaw run that much smoother. Now I have other videos on STIHL chainsaws, like how to start the chainsaw. Also have what to do if your chainsaw floods. I'll leave links to those down in the description below this video, plus at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.